Please enter the admin password and press the pound key to confirm. Enter again. Successful. 1. Password management. 2. Fingerprint management. 3. 1. Modify the admin password. 2. Add user. 3. Please enter the user password and press the pound key to confirm. Enter again. Successful. 1. Modify the admin password. 2. 1. Password management. 2. Fingerprint management. 1. Add user. 2. Delete user. Please enter fingerprint. Please enter fingerprint. Please enter fingerprint. Successful. 1. Add user. 1. Password management. 2. Fingerprint management. 3. Card management. 4. 1. Add user. Please flash card. Successful. 1. Add user. 2. Delete user. 3. 1. Password management. 2. Fingerprint management. 3. Card management. 4. Phase management. 1. Add user. Please look straight at the camera. Please turn your face to the right. Please turn your face to the left. Please look down. Please look up. Successful. 1. Please enter the admin password and press the 1. Password management. 2. 1. Network setting. 2. Connecting. Press star key to exit. Connection is successful. Double verification mode. 5. Firmware version. 6. Operation record query. 7. Installation setting. Press pound key to repeat. Press star key to exit.